Kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta nikuo gikundi kia arigitani 50 marakinyire kuma bururi-ini wa Cuba. Ataramu aya mekwamba gucorerwo mbica ya uria ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rutarie mbere ya matumitwo mathibitari-ini thiini wa county citiganite.
They are specialists, as we have said before, and they are going to go and fill in gaps that exist in our health system.
One development in Cuba, which I think is extremely important to us here in Kenya, is the fact that they have an institute for biotechnology and genetic engineering, which can be a major resource for developing domestic industry for manufacturing of drugs.
Itanya-ini ria thirikari ria kugacirithia sekta ya ugima wa mwiri, marigitari aya hamwe na angi 50 matanyitwo gukinya wakana matumitwo thiini wa county citiganite. Itena-ini ria mbere, counties ta Murang'a yamukirite ndagitari eri aria ni hamwe na ndagitari wa gucokia riri wa mwiri. Nayo county ya Kiambu ikamukira ndagitari wa kumenyerera arwaru aria mari hatikaine nene thiini wa ICU. Na kuo county ya Nyeri ikamukira marigitari eri aria ni hamwe na ndagitari wa higo. Bica irio ta iyo thiini wa county ya Embu. Na kuo county ya Naikuru ikamukira arigitani eri aria ni hamwe na ndagitari wa ngoro. Nyandarua igatumirwo marigitari eri aria ni hamwe na ndagitari wa mahindi, na kuo mwena wa Meru igatumirwo mutaramu wa mirimu ta cukari. Marigitari aya mandikanire kandarathi ya miaka 2 na thirikari. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.